loop around here and then go to the park path. Quad trail. Go ahead. Keep going the quad trail. Woo. Too dusty. Oh, he got wasted. Billy BeeSting's out here. Better watch it. Billy's a real son of a gun. Everybody watch the video. Right up front there, it's a rare. We get to see Billy actually on the trail. It's like Sasquatch sightings. He's rare, but it happens. People know he was there after he's gone. For once, we're finally catching up to the Sasquatch. Billy BeeSting. Darren doesn't get too close to him and scare him off. We won't be able to keep up with him. Billy probably knows we're behind him. He's probably toying with us right now. He's probably reeling us to a place that we think we're safe. He's gonna get us where we have to stop. And then boom, he gets us with a Billy BeeSting move. I think at this point we should probably say that it's probably important. Young children watching this video, you might not want to watch it because Billy is relentless for his evil attacks on other riders. Rocks, throws rocks with his tires in your face, covers you in silt, and then he laughs from a distance, knowing that we are helpless and defenseless against his tactics. See how it's slowly pulling away, trying to get us to pick up the pace? He's reeling us in for our next move. Oh, I'm so nervous right now. I just don't know what's gonna happen. Hopefully this is recording and we got it on tape. I do got a GPS monitor on, tracking my every move. Heart rate's racing right now. Wondering what sort of trap he's leading us into. I'm actually close enough to see his numbers. It looks like it's 433. red plate. We might actually have identity on Billy. I wonder if the 433 stands for the number of kills he has out here on the trail. Either way, we just have to take a leap of faith going in that this filming, this photo documentary is going to get us the proof we need. Uh-oh, what's Billy doing? What's Billy doing? He's turning around. Oh, I got a good shot of his number. 433 mm. Okay. What's he doing? He put him around the cactus. I think he was trying to drive him into the cactus as a trap. Oh, he's luring us in. See how he looked back? Be careful. Take discretion at this point. Where does the trail go here? Looks like it's leading us into the roughage. Okay, we have a rider down. We have a rider down, be careful. Ooh, nice pivot turn there. I should probably give a little space because it's hard to see. Looks like I got myself in a pickle. I'm gonna gently creep out of it with just throttle way down the going in. Yeah. Let's line it up. Back it up. There you go. Slowly. Speed. Get on the bike. We're on. Get out of this gear. I think I'm gonna have to go what I'm gonna get Billy. Come on, Billy. Payback time. Uh-oh. He stopped. This could be dangerous. I bet you he's gonna claim he's not Billy BeeSting. Hey, Billy.
Hey.
You gonna take ownership for that Billy BeeSting move back there?
Did I roost you?
Huh?
Did I roost you?
See, for the camera purposes, he's totally denying claims.
Yeah, I did I roost you? I missed you. How's Darren doing?
Good, he slowed down and that's what messed him up.
Uh-oh, he already has the goggles off. Check out him. You good? All right. You need a break or are you good? I'm good. Okay.
If you need a break, just meet us at the top. It's another pole right here.
Yeah. There's another what?
Another one of those up here.
Oh, well, my front that's bouncing around. I didn't have my weight right. I got it too. All right. Yeah, so this is what I was telling you about the ox cart path. So you'll see more of the retaining walls on this section. Ready?
It's a total deniability. You do not take any responsibility for the act of Billy BeeSting. Don't want to go down there. Problem is I got too close. Dig ourselves out.
Really roost you?
What's that?
Did I really, Billy?
Not too bad.
Was it where I turned around and I missed a turn?
Oh, down there at the bottom? You got Darren, there was a little silt speed bump. You went over the top and he was right behind you.
Oh.
And then you gassed it and it just covered him in silt.
Oh.
It's almost like you have no memory of what just happened.
Dang it.
Total.
I'm in denial.
Once again, that's evidence of Billy BeeSting.
Whoa. How much pressure you have in your tires?
Huh?
How much pressure you have?
Like 12?
Too much for out here.
Yeah. It's falling into the rear tire's falling in, and
Because it's too much pressure. I would take it down to about 10.
Yeah, drop it a couple pounds. Try that.
So Sean, tell us what this trail's called.
Oxcart Path Trail.
Oxycart Path Trail.
Oxycontin.
Oxycontin Path
Oxycontin
Trail.
path.
That mean is that like metaphor for inflicting pain?
Yeah.
Hey Darren, when you were out there riding today, do you think you saw Billy BeeSting?
yeah.
Yeah, we got that powder you have on your front plate there.
What's that?
You have a lot of powder on your front plate there.
Yeah. From somebody in front of me. Roosted me.
Dang it. Big Billy BeeSting.
Billy BeeSting.
You didn't know he's out here too, did you?
Yeah.
That guy's everywhere. You gotta watch out for him.
Yeah, I know.
All right, so we have some more Oxcart. We'll go. I think we'll make our way to that road over there. Oh yeah, you see the slope, the cut in the mountain there?
Yeah.
So we'll take that around to that road over there.
Viewers at home who are watching this and wondering what is all this Billy BeeSting talk. It goes back almost a decade where there would always be a racer on a racetrack, and the only way he kept riders behind him was by doing dirty moves on them. He'd roost them with dust, rocks, he'd cut them off, put them into the bushes, drive them into cactus, roost them. He used all means possible to stay in front. For decades we've searched for this. Who is this Billy guy? He even had a Facebook page. People were befriending him, hoping he would identify himself, but he never did. we all wondered, is this Billy BeeSting someone we know? Is he like an alternate personality that overtakes people while they're racing, like a spirit of competition, a spirit to be better, spirit to be number one? It's hard to say, but it only happens to someone when they're in front of someone else. Those at you at home, maybe you could help me unravel this mystery. What is it that fills somebody with that drive to be the best, to be number one, to be in the lead, to be the guy in front yelling, I'm winning, I'm winning, I'm winning, even though you're not? It's hard to say. All we know is he comes and goes, never truly been identified. I hope you all at home watching this could post comments at the bottom stating whether they've seen Billy. Is Billy BeeSting? Have you felt the sting of Billy out here on the track, on the trail? Who is he? And why is he so obsessed with winning? I could go back in history a little bit. There was a race one time at a racetrack called Grinding Stone. It was a GP race, single track, moto track. There was this guy we knew, he was very sensitive. His name was Todd Hale. Todd Hale always talked big. He was a racer, that he had this past of winning. So he showed up in our hometown one day with this KX 250. Freaking armor all on the tires. Polished brake and clutch lever. And then he would say, this is my KX 250. It's a winner, he would say, a winner. All right, so at the time, me and my brother in front of me here, we used to race hare scrambles. So we decided, hey, let's go to Grindstone, let's race a hare scramble. Todd, put your mouth, you know, put your riding where your mouth is. We were all laughing, we're like, all right, Todd, this is your chance to prove yourself. Can you ride like you say you did, right? So Todd, taking a Grinding Stone, freaking armor all over his bike, thing was shiny. He started that thing up. It was like freaking rolling coal of smoke coming out of the back of that 250. On the start line, he got on the start line, freaking, he was, if like a 250 had a red limiter, it would be bouncing off the rev limiter, like something like that. I can't even give it justice. They drop the flag. Todd takes off like almost like flash of lightning. Happened so fast. Boom. He was gone. Big old cloud of dust. I always wonder, we waited at the lap spot for him to come in, and everybody came through except him. We're like, what happened? Where's Todd? Where's Todd Hale? Then Todd finally comes in, freaking wrapped out. You know, in the pit area, there's a speed limit like 5 miles an hour or something like that, so everyone could safely get fuel and regas. Todd came through there freaking 65 miles an hour. Screaming, top of his lungs. Screaming, I'm winning! I'm winning! I'm in first! I'm in first! There's no other riders on the track! We were like, what? There was another rider with us at the time. His name was... It was the AKA Thunderbolt Jeff Arnold. He was out there, and he was like, "What? How is he winning? He's last. He's last. The race was going on. A couple laps went by. We saw him go by. Still in last place. He comes in, gets the finish line because he's in last. He's in last place, so they gave him the checkered flag because he didn't make the time limit. He throws his bike down, throwing his hands up. I won! I won! I won! We're like, what? The race is still going. He comes back, and this is exact words. He was like, I was racing, I was going off fast, I was wide open, about to break my wrist off, I was so fast. Then he goes, then I don't know what happened. I got in some dust, some silt. Next thing you know, I'm slapping the bike and I'm on the ground. Oh no, he goes, my shoulder's broken, my shoulder's broken. But then he goes, I'm a winner. I got back up on the bike and I freaking started racing again. And I realized that in all that crash and dust and two-stroke, that I was first. And that's all we heard about. I was a winner. So then, me and Thunderbolt Jeff Arnold asked ourselves, what is going on here? What is this personality? What is this ego that he's carrying on his broken shoulder? Find out later. Never resurfaced. He was done. He says, I don't need to prove it no more. Packed up his bike. Didn't even stay for the results. He says, because winners don't need validation. Remember that, kids at home. Winners don't need validation. AKA Todd Hale, the winner. That was the first glimpse we saw of the personality of Billy BeeSting. Later it evolved into other races, other events. Look at, I bet you Billy BeeSting was eating on that cow right there. He probably ate that spirit of the cow. Just eat his unquenchable thirst for winning. So if you're out there, you're watching this video, please do all you can to help me unravel this mystery. Well, we're gonna get back to focused on our riding here. We hope that didn't distract you too much from the joys of these trails out here in Kearney, Arizona. Oh, and just a quick shout out for Desert Nights LLC, best motorcycle club here in Superior, Arizona. Oh no!